Talcher boy Animesh Pradhan has been making headlines for the last few days after securing All India Rank 2 in the UPSC Civil Services Exam 2023. During his visit to the OTV newsroom on Tuesday, one of the editorial staff asked him whether any of the questions he faced during the interview was tough for him. Yes, indeed, the Odisha topper said that he was unable to answer this one question during the interview round. According to Animesh, he was asked a lot of questions about Odisha. However, there was a question about the relationship between Puri Jagannath and Sikhism which he could not answer.
इंटरव्यू रे गोटे कस्ट क्वेश्चन पचरा हितिला द रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन पुरी जगन्नाथ एंड सिखिज्म जोटा कि बहुत ही आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स थिला जोटा कि मु बिल्कुल भी आंसर दे पार नथली तालचेर विषय बहुत गुटे पचरा हितिला जोतरे कि मु तालचेर विषय लोक कोल माइंस विषय कहंती बट हिंगुला यात्रा विषय जानते लोक तो सेठी मु तांगु हिंगुला यात्रा विषय मध्ये कहितली एबे हिंगुला यात्रा चलीची तो दैट वाज वन ऑफ गुड थिंग्स.